आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is, a certain car is known to depreciate at a rate of 20% per year. The equation V of n is equal to P of x raised to power n can be used to calculate the value of the car V after n years, where P is the purchase price. If the purchase price of the car is $25,000 to the nearest dollar, how much more is the car worth after 2 years than 3 years? And the options are A 1600, B 2400, C 3200 and D 4000. So our solution is, we are given the expression to calculate the value of car, that is V of n is equal to P of x raised to power n, where n is the time and P is the purchase price and x is 1 minus r upon 100, and where r is rate of depreciation of car. So now according to the question, we are given that the purchase price of the car is $25,000 and we have to calculate the value of car after 2 years, which is more than 3 years. So now after 2 years, let us denote the value of the car be V1. So value of car after 2 years is V1 and value of car after 3 years be V2. So now by this expression given above, we will calculate this V1 and V2, and then the question asks us that how much more is the car worth after 2 years than 3 years. That is, we have to calculate V1 minus V2. So now for calculating V1, we'll use this expression. So now V1 is equal to 25,000, that is the purchase price, and multiplied by 1 minus r. R is given to us 20 upon 100, and n is the time period, that is 2 years. So 2. Now 25,000 multiplied by 100 minus 20 upon 100 raised to power 2, which is equal to 25,000 multiplied by 80 upon 100 raised to power 2. So on solving this, we will get $16,000. That is, the value of the car after 2 years is $16,000. Now we will calculate V2, that is the value of cars after 3 years. So now for calculating V2, we'll use the same expression, that is 25,000 multiplied by 1 minus 20 upon 100, and now the time is 3 years, so raised to power 3, which is equal to 25,000 multiplied by 80 upon 100 raised to power 3. After solving this, we will get $12,800. So now the question wants to know that the value of car, more value of car which is after 2 years than 3 years. So we need to calculate 1 minus 2, that is V1 minus V2, that is 16,000 minus 12,800, that is $3,200. So the value of car after 2 years is $3,200 more than 3 years. So our option C is correct.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।